14th February, Parents Worship Day, the turning point for the humanity. Love is innocent. Love unites with God. Love unites with Allah. Love is the name of the Supreme Being. You may call Him Allah, God or Bhagwan. The name of Supreme Bliss, Supreme Consciousness is love. He only is the real being of Rama, Rahim and God. My dear children, do celebrate 14th February as the day of love, but by saying Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. Regard your mother as a god. Regard your father as a god. All people should respect their parents. I want to propagate Parents Worship Day widely in India and abroad. Children should greet, respect and worship their parents on this day. And parents should love their children. So, celebrate 14th February as Parents Worship Day. It will help develop real love. Come, let us embark upon this holy occasion by revering our Sadguru.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwarah, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva, Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva, Tvameva Vidya Dravidam Tvameva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva, Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva.
The Guru is Brahma, the Guru is Vishnu, the Guru Deva is Maheshwara, that is, Lord Shiva. The Guru is verily the Parabrahma, Supreme Brahman. Solutions to that Guru. You alone are my mother and my father. You alone are my friend and my beloved companion. You alone are my knowledge and my wealth. O Supreme Lord, You alone are everything for me. It is written in our ancient scripture, the Shiv Purana, that those who worship their parents do their circumambulation. He gets equal fruit as one who circumambulates the complete universe. So come, let us also get blessed today by worshipping our parents. First of all, make your parents sit on a neat and clean high seat. Sons and daughters apply tilak on their parents' foreheads with kumkum, that is, red color powder. Offer flowers and akshat, that is, the holy rice, on your parents' heads. Offer them flower garlands. Lord Ganesha circumambulated his parents, Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati, and received their blessings. In the same way, let us also circumambulate our parents 7 times.
यानि कानि च पापानि जन्मान्तर कृतानि च तानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्तु प्रदक्षिणः पदे पदे.
will give us the fruit of the earth's circumambulations. Since, whatever it may be, done in this and previous births, all of them be destroyed by doing pradakshina, step by step. Now take the blessings of your parents by touching their feet. Daughters may not touch their feet, but bow down with folded hands.
अभिवादनशीलस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम् आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम्.
Manusmriti scripture says, whosoever habitually and respectfully greets and serves the parents and preceptors obtains enhancement of 4 things: lifespan, knowledge, fame and strength. Now light the lamp, perform aarti of your parents and worship them, beholding God in them.
दीप ज्योति पर ब्रह्मा दीप ज्योति जनार्दन दीपो हरतु मे पापं साज्य दीपं नमोस्तुते.
प्रभु गुरु जी मात पिता सद्भाव देख तुम्हारा सद्भाव देख तुम्हारा मस्तक झुक जाता. ओम जय जय मात पिता.
Now it's turn for the parents to apply tilak on their children's forehead and also shower flowers and akshat, that is the holy rice, on their head. Now parents take out their garlands and grant it to their children as if wishing them all success and happiness in their lives. Now all may sit silently for some time. Parents may look at the children and mentally shower their love and blessings on them. Children should also look at the parents with respect and affection and contemplate that the Supreme Self abiding in my parents' heart is showering blessings on me. Pujya Bapuji also blesses the children with following words. This will be conducive to your good, my sons and daughters. Though the parents wish for your good all the time, but they shower special blessings on you on this day. Now parents keep their hands on their children's head, lovingly caress them and bless them with affection. Children lovingly embrace their beloved parents. Sons and daughters should see divinity in their parents, and parents should also see divinity in their children. Now, like in every occasion, children and parents should share sweets, that is Madhur Prasad, with each other.
हमारा बच्चों सदा तुम्हारे साथ रहे।
दुआ हमारी और गुरुवर की कृपा तुम्हारे साथ रहे।
याद हमेशा तुम्हें हमारे बच्चों बस ये बात रहे। मातृ पितृ भक्तों के सर पे सदा गुरु का हाथ रहे। सदा गुरु का हाथ रहे।
हरि ओम 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 हरि ओम।
This is true love, a day of real love. That is Parents Worship Day. Matra Pitra Pujan Divas, inspired and initiated by Pujya Sant Shri Asha Ramji Babu.